for me to use that high heat temperature of fire is because I don't like the shrimp to get overcooked, and to maintain the crispiness and also the texture of the shrimp. This is just a quick pan fry because we would be adding it on the sauce later, so it will be continue to be cooked after it's mixed up with the sauce. Sometimes if you are frying the shrimp, there is some instances wherein you can smell that it has kind of foul odor. So in order for you to eliminate the smell that is coming from the shrimp, I recommend that if you have wine available at home, maybe you can use it. Just pour a little bit of that on the pan and then make it dry before removing the shrimp from the pan. So for me, I used wine to make a flambe for this shrimp, and then waited for it to get dry and then remove it from the pan. So for those who haven't tried it before, please don't do it for experiment. Doing flambe for your cooking session because it's kind of dangerous. So although if you have tried it before, you can try it again. So it's a better way for you to make also the meat of the shrimp tasty. If you are able to use the wine to eliminate the smell and to maintain that tasty and juicy taste of the shrimp. So especially if you are serving someone who is sensitive on the smell of the shrimp, then using wine to eliminate the smell of the shrimp is highly recommended. So for this wine, we are about to cook the sauce. So pour a little bit of oil in the pan and then stir fry the ginger. Add the garlic. Then add some chili, but if you prefer it not to be spicy, then you don't have to add the chili. Or if you wanted more spicy taste, then you can add more chili, or you can use chili paste also to cook for this one. Add on the mixture of that sugar, sesame oil, and the soy sauce, and then a few seconds you can add the shrimp and add the spring onion last after you pour on the tomato sauce. So we add already tomato sauce, chili, garlic, ginger, and also the light soy sauce, sugar, and sesame oil, all together mixed on the sauce. And then lastly, we would be adding the spring onion of the spring onion, because I don't like the spring onion to be very much overcooked. So after a few seconds, just stir fry and then remove it from the pan, and then it would be ready to serve. So I do hope that you learned something on our cooking session today, and then you can try it at home also for serving your serving on your Christmas Eve. And I do hope that you would enjoy the taste of this recipe.